Oh, so sometimes people haven't seen this symbol, so I should point out that up in the numerator, that's 20! No, that's the 20th root of 20 factorial. Over the 19th root of 19 factorial is less than 1, between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3, or between 3 and 4. And maybe by clapping, we'll ask the audience what they think of this, or what it thinks of this. How many people think it's A less than 1 by clapping? Okay, at least one person. How many people think it's B between 1 and 2? How many people think it's C between 2 and 3? That makes C feel better if someone claps for it. How many people think it's D between 3 and 4? Right? Okay. Now B feels better as well. So B sounded like the most popular one. We'll see what the correct answer is. It was B. Very good audience and very good contestants getting that right. Nice work. So who got that one right? Kyle. All right, Kyle, you want to tell us how you got it?
So I didn't really show too much work for this one, but
oh, you're gonna lose credit.
Yeah. if you like see that, you can tell that you're taking the 20th root of 20 numbers. So essentially, you're taking the geometric mean of numbers from 1 to 20, which is like multiplying all of the numbers between 1 and 20, and then taking the square root, the 20th root of that, and then 19th root of 19 factorial. And so I really just estimated it. I figured it would be greater than 1, but I knew it couldn't be like greater than 2 because like it's going to be a root, and it's like after you take the 20th root, it's going to be so much smaller because you're taking the geometric mean of numbers 1 and 20, so it's going to be in that range, and so it's not going to be greater than 2. I figured.
All right, so that's a good explanation. Oh, very good, thank you, and very good. Contestants getting that right. All right, thank you. So we'll see what that does to the score. So we see now Kyle, Stefan, and Jack are tied for first with 1,500 points, and Eric and Cynthia with 1,000 points, and Thomas with 700 points. In how many ways can 10 $1 bills be distributed among 5 people where the bills are considered indistinguishable? So this includes the possibility that one person might get all 10, or a person might not get any, so that's the kind of distribution we're talking about here. So how many ways can that be done? There are 126 ways, 252 ways, 1,001 ways, or 5,005 ways to do that. All right, not quite enough time to eliminate one of the contestants and just try to distribute the bills and count them. But we'll see how this one went. Ooh, very good. And so, who got 1,001? Cynthia, you got it, all right? You want to tell us how you got it, Cynthia? Erica, too, nice going.
So basically, this is a case where the boxes in which we're putting the dollar bills are distinguishable and the bills themselves are not. So basically, there's a method called stars and bars that if you went to Tacoma Park Middle School, you wouldn't know what it is.
So does you assume Erica went there too then?
Yeah, she went there. But basically, this problem is equivalent to arranging 10 stars and 4 bars. There are 4 bars instead of 5 bars because those are the dividers of the bills. So they split it into like 5 different portions, and everything left of the first one is given to the first person. Between the first and the second is given to the second person, and so forth. So basically, it's just a number of ways to arrange those 14 objects, which is 14 factorial over 10 factorial times 4 factorial, and you simplify that to get 1,001.
Yeah, so the 14 objects are like the $10 bills, and then also the spaces that kind of said that he was getting money. So that's exactly right. That's an explanation. I'm glad you went to that middle school.
I went to a different middle school.
All right, so we see what the score is now. So now Erica and Cynthia are tied for first place with 6th grade, tied game for 1,600 points. Kyle has 1,500. Stefan also has, and Jack each have 1,500, so they're tied for 3rd place. And then Thomas has 1,300, so very tight.